What are we doing?
We're here, we're at Dartmouth, and this is a new flip we purchased.
How much did we buy it for?
We bought it for $380.
380. What are we gonna sell it for?
$460.
$460.
Look at, I know these numbers.
How much money are we putting into it?
15 grand.
15 grand. This is gonna be a cheap remodel.
Right, but I mean, like, we bought it on what, the second?
Yeah.
And we were listing it on one day?
We're selling it quick.
What day?
We got 10 flips going on, so we gotta figure out how quick we can pull it off.
I was saying, this neighborhood's nice, it's quiet. We've been in some weirder ones.
Talk to me about the property. So what do we got going on here? As you can tell, they took these trees and they made...
Mike! Oh, never mind. Never mind.
This is Mojay's first day on the job. We're going to grind these tree stumps down, get rid of that barrier, do new gravel.
We have what seems to be, it could be a little garden right here. Shrubbery. That's
Here you
dead.
go. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it. Ah!
Terrible catch.
The sun was blaring right in my eye. Are you seeing the sun?
Yeah, the sun.
Hello?
Knock, knock.
Oh, actually, this is kind of nice.
Apparently the lights don't work.
It doesn't smell foul in here.
So we're gonna keep this one really simple. I think we're gonna go over budget a little bit on this one, to be honest with you. Anytime you're flipping a house, right, you wanna make sure you're not over renovating, but you also wanna make sure you're not under renovating, right? So like in this neighborhood, you know, we don't gotta freaking do quartz counters and knock down the walls. Paint LVP, so all the flooring will match. Light stuff, right? New ceiling fans, new cabs.
New countertops.
New countertops, new fixtures. New appliances, yep. So this was advertised as a 3-bed, 2-bath. This is technically not a bedroom, but we're gonna make it a bedroom. So we're gonna make this a 4-bed, 2-bath. So this is an addition. Right now there's no closet in here.
Right, where's that gonna go?
Right here. So if you look on the outside of the property right now.
I don't know, but this thing looks like it's going haywire. It's gonna fly right off the dang.
It's gonna fall right on your head.
For real.
Take all that garbage out, clean it up, and then that'll be your closet on the inside.
Wow, this is gonna be interesting when it comes together, because right now, I can't picture it.
Come on.
I'm serious.
You can't picture that?
No, I don't know what the hell.
You gotta have an imagination.
I do have an imagination. Remember from SpongeBob?
Imagination.
So
this is the master.
This will be the master, yep.
Wow, somebody wanted black paint and whatever this is.
Yeah, it's a hell of a paint job.
These are pretty, what, reinforced?
I mean, I wouldn't do a pull-up off of it.
Right, you'll just take the whole gosh dang
take the whole
drywall right
thing
off
down.
the friggin' wall.
Yeah, because I've been lifting, you know what I mean?
Oh, God. I actually think this one is gonna be awesome.
We're not gonna stay at 15 grand on this. Even if we sell it for 450, we'll still make 30 or 40 grand on this, no problem.
So this is obviously the laundry room.
Yep.
I mean, you could do something nice in here. This is a nice tucked away area.
LVP paint.
Yeah, you know.
What do you think happened with the door here?
Someone got hungry.
So another bathroom, another bedroom.
Pantry, or whatever.
Pantry. Oh.
Little laundry room.
Little
laundry pantry.
Oh, laundry room. She thinks it's a laundry room. Another bedroom.
Right, another bedroom.
So what you think?
I think this one's gonna be really cool. Welcome back.
Welcome back. We're gonna show you the finished product right now of this house, okay? So we're in Mesa, Arizona right now. This house, as you probably already know, is 1,400 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom. We just put it on the market. Mojay just mentioned, get on over here. We just put it on the market for $489,900. We bought it for $380,000 and we put $30,000 into it. So let's just go ahead and show you around. So we kept this one really simple. As I told you before, you know, we're flipping a ton of properties and all of the properties that we're basically flipping right now are under 500 grand, okay? So When we're flipping under 500 grand in Arizona, you don't need to go all out, right? You just have to do what the neighborhood calls for, okay? So in the kitchen, you can see the before, right? We tore out the kitchen, we did new cabinets, okay? We did white shaker cabinets. We ended up doing new appliances. We actually got all these appliances for like $1,500. We bought a bunch of appliances during Black Friday, which helped out a ton. So I think we got like 15 microwaves, 15 stoves, 15 refrigerators, etc. for all the flips that we're doing right now. Obviously we did a new sink, new hardware and everything. And overall, this was a really easy kitchen to do. We probably spent like $8 or so grand in the actual kitchen itself. Again, this entire project was only $30,000, okay? So as you can tell, we did new flooring. This is just LVP flooring, real cheap, okay? Again, it looks incredible, right? This is what buyers are looking for right now, but it was only $2 a square foot, okay? And then obviously you have labor on top of that, which is super, super cheap, okay? So we ended up making this a 4th bedroom in here. Prior, there was actually no closet in here, so it technically was not considered a bedroom, but the previous owner already had it here. It's already, level with the rest of the house. So all we did is we actually just added a closet in here, okay? Now, what was interesting about that is if you remember before, that closet was actually an outdoor closet, okay? So we just flip-flopped it. We stuccoed the outside of the house. We made the closet on the inside as opposed to the outside, and now we have a 4th bedroom, okay? Which is also really cool. We have an exit going to the backyard, and then obviously we have our French doors over here, leading back into the main house. So we ended up with a 4-bedroom house. So wherever possible, I definitely recommend that you do that when you're flipping.
Okay, so now we're in the master. New counters, new cabinetry, new toilet, and then we also went ahead and epoxied the shower.
Yep.
So that's all clean and new. And then this is nice. I mean, they added in some brackets for the walk-in closet.
Yeah.
And so it's really actually spacious in there.
It is, yeah, super spacious. And this vanity ended up being a lot bigger.
Yeah.
I don't know if you remember before, but that vanity was like a really ugly vanity.
Right.
And we ended up doing, that's a really nice, vanity at the end of the day.
It's a pretty good space for like what this space allows.
For sure, yeah. And then obviously new flooring, new fan, new, new paint and everything like that's all brand new. It turned out really good.
Yeah.
So in 2024, our goal is to actually flip 75 properties, okay? Now, the majority of the properties that we're flipping are, again, under 500 grand, right? And one of the things that me and Moshe were just joking about in there is that you have to be careful when you're a flipper, right? When you're a flipper, a lot of times you wanna go in and you wanna do what you want, right? You wanna do the cabinetry that you want and the flooring that you want and everything that you want. And the problem with that is, as a business owner, is you're not gonna be profitable, right? Because a lot of these smaller houses like this, they don't call for that, right? The neighborhood doesn't call for that. And when you look at the comparable properties in the neighborhood, you have to be very careful that you're not over renovating, right? And obviously you don't want to under renovate either, but I'm telling you, this is a massive piece of advice, for anybody watching that might be interested in getting into flipping, is make sure you renovate just right down the middle, right? Look at the comparables in the neighborhood and do what they're doing, okay? Don't necessarily do way more than they're doing, and don't do way less than they're doing, but do the same that they're doing, okay? So Moshe, what do you think about that?
Yeah, I agree. I mean, listen, I love to spend a little and splurge a little. So, I live more in the land of non-profitability.
Yeah. I told her a minute ago that if she was the CEO of the flipping company, we would be a nonprofit.
Right.
So there you have it.
That's why I just observe, and I'll give a little update on what's going on.
Yeah.
But other than that,
you're a great designer.
Appreciate that.
Yeah,
but my
if we
designs
were
are apparently expensive.
A $2 million home, $3 million home, right? So we spent about roughly $2,000 on the bathrooms, okay? All we really did here is we epoxied both of the showers. We made them look brand new. In this particular one, we did not do a tile shower. Now we have another couple of flips that we're actually doing right now. Go check out my YouTube channel, subscribe obviously, where we did, and I don't know if you know, but like Calistoga, we did the tile shower. So that'll cost more money, right? And so Depending on the flip, we'll do a full custom shower. Here we decided not to. We decided to just keep the regular shower pan, you know, with the vinyl or whatever, and we just epoxied it, okay? So very cheap there, but we did do new vanities, new mirrors, new lights, everything like that. So about a couple grand. And then like I said, you know, probably about 10 grand or so in the kitchen. All in all, we spent about $30,000 on the remodel here at Dartmouth.
Right. And the split between what we purchased and what we're selling for is?
We're listed at $489, okay? We'll have to pay realtor commissions at $489, so we're gonna pay probably about 3%, maybe 3.5%, 4% with closing costs, okay? So you have to take that off the $489, and then we obviously acquired at $380. We do have hard money on the deal, okay? So we'll probably have, you know, 8 or so grand in hard money cost. And then obviously the 30 grand, insurance and stuff like that. I would say, just off the top of my head, we'll probably take home 50 or 60,000 on the property right here.
Yeah, awesome.
Not bad.
See you guys in the next one.
Hey, get out there and subscribe if you haven't already. We're gonna flip a lot more houses, and drop in the comment section down below. How would you like us to do the video, okay? Me and her have been going at it, how we're gonna do the video. She wants to do it one way. I think we should do it a different way. So drop down below, let us know how you wanna do it in the future.